Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can easily add your SAMSUNG Buds3 FE to your smartphone application. At first, you have to open your Galaxy Wearable application and tap Start. I do recommend to be paired with your headphones before this whole process. Here, tap on your Galaxy Buds here and tap Sign In. Now you will be redirected to your website, to the Google website, and here tap Continue. For me it's Continue, but for you it should be login page with Google or QR code or any else. If you don't have an account, just create one. We have to agree for the end user agreement, and we can disagree for any other. Tap Agree, tap Allow, and now you are all set. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.